Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings. Here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Let's tap on Reset Network Settings. And here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone. So tap on Reset Network Settings, and as you can see, we've got this information, which simply means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.